Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 6 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progressions. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 5.2 question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, in this case there are two terms given. By means of these two terms find A and D and hence find 31st term. Okay, solution. In given AP, A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73, and therefore A plus 10D, that is A11 is equal to A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2, A plus 15D is equal to 73 minus A plus 10D is equal to 38. Now subtraction, therefore change the sign. This is negative, negative, negative. A get cancelled. 15D minus 10D is equal to 5D. 73 minus 38 is equal to 35, and therefore D is equal to 7. Substituting D is equal to 7 in equation number 1, A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38, and therefore A is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 32. Okay, now you know A and you know D, and therefore you can find A31. A31 is equal to A plus 30D is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is equal to minus 32 plus 210 and is equal to 178, and hence the 31st term of an AP is 178. Okay. Question number 9. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Okay. Solution. In given AP, A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is equal to minus 8, and therefore A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8 minus A plus 2D is equal to 4. Subtraction, change the sign. So this positive and negative get cancelled. 8D minus 2D is equal to 6D, and this 6D is equal to minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12, and hence D is equal to minus 2. Substituting D is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1, A plus 2 into bracket minus 2 is equal to 4, and therefore A minus 4 is equal to 4, and therefore A is equal to 8. Now you know 8 and you know D. Let AN is equal to 0. Now AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and therefore 0 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, and therefore 0 is equal to 8 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2n, and therefore 2n is equal to 10 and n is equal to 5. So fifth term of AP is 0. Okay. Question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7 find the common difference. Okay, now here condition is given, so read this condition properly and write what equations. Okay, solution. In an given AP, 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7, and therefore A17 is equal to A10 plus 7 by this condition. Now A17 is equal to A plus 16D is equal to A10 A plus 9D plus 7. Simplify this, and therefore 16D minus 9D, this A and this A get cancelled. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7, and therefore 7D is equal to 7, and hence D is equal to 1. Okay. Question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay. Now example is slightly complicated. Now try to understand solution. In AP 3, 15, 27, 29, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12 given. So 54th term is equal to A plus 53D, and therefore 3 plus 53 into 12, that is A54 is equal to 639. The term which is more than 132 is AN. 639 plus 132, that is 771. And now then you find N. Now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore 771 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 12, and therefore 771 is equal to 3 plus 12n minus 12 is equal to 12n minus 9, and therefore 12n is equal to 771 plus 9, that is 780, and therefore n is equal to 780 upon 12 is equal to 65, and hence 65th term of given AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Okay. Now try to understand solution. Solution. Let two APs be x1, x2, x3 and so on, and y1, y2, y3 and so on. Let their common difference be D. Their common difference is what? Same. So say it is D. And therefore A100 is equal to x1 plus 99D, and A100 for what? Second AP, y1 plus 99D, and difference between them is equal to 100 given, and therefore x1 plus 99D minus y1 minus 99D is equal to 100. So this 99D minus plus minus get cancelled, and you have x1 minus y1 is equal to 100. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. Then write thousandth term. Now 8000 is equal to x1 plus 999d, and for second AP 8000 is equal to y1 plus 999d, and difference between them is x1 plus 999d minus y1 minus 999d. Again this d and this 999d get cancelled, and x1 minus y1 is equal to x1 minus y1 is a difference between what? Thousands term. But you know x1 minus y1 is equal to what? 100, and therefore from 1 and 2 the difference between their thousands term is equal to 100. Okay, so go through this example again so that you understand. This is what very easy, not difficult. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.